Hi everybody, so today I'm going to explain to you a little bit about LLC structure for real estate investments. And I want to clarify here, I am not a CPA, a financial advisor, or an attorney. I am just giving you how Bobby and I have structured our LLCs for our real estate investments properties. So I'm going to give you a little bit of an explanation on LLC. So an LLC is extremely favorable structure when you invest in real estate because it protects you from your personal assets being involved in any arising lawsuits or anything that happens in a property, that they are not able to come in and tap into your personal net worth. Another good thing about an LLC is that you're able to have multiple members in the LLC. So you could be 50% partnership, and then you could have a 10, 20, 30. Everybody could have a percentage and you're able to put them in an LLC. Another great thing about an LLC is that it has huge tax advantages. So for that reason, our advisors have always put all of our investments into an LLC. So let me go ahead and explain it to you on this board how we have structured our LLCs. So number one, I don't know if you all know this, but Delaware has an awesome protection for owners of LLCs. It doesn't show who the owners are. They don't show the phone numbers, addresses, and so forth. So the protection for the owners per se is awesome in Delaware. And I know that there's another few states that also have very good protection, but for some reason, our advisors always like to file in Delaware. So the first thing you would like to do is that you need to open a holding LLC. You can name it whatever you want to name it. For right now, Bobby and I, we always name it Ortsac Holdings because that is our company name. So the holding LLC is filed in Delaware. Now, for Bobby and I, we have it structured where our managing member is our trust. So we have an extra protection there because we don't have it in our individual names. But for those that are just getting started and don't have a trust, that's okay too. You could just put your individual names. If it's 2, 4, 5, 10 people, it doesn't matter how many individuals, but you put it under your individual name. Again, this is something that you need to consult your resources to make sure that you're filing it correctly with your circumstances. Another thing you need to know about this holding company is that this holding company, this LLC, will never own any piece of any of the properties that are underneath this LLC. So that's also important to know. This LLC will own zero. It has zero net worth. So that way, when anything happens, they're not able to tap into your personal assets or other assets that you have. So you go ahead and you file this LLC based on your advisor. For example, we do Delaware. Then we own a property. Our first property is going to be whatever name you want to put on it. Normally, people like to put the address of the LLC, the first few digits of the property, comma LLC. Then that property that you're purchasing, you want to put it in the state that you own that property. The reason why is that every state has different tax benefits, different landlord rules, and all of that. So it's very beneficial for you to file the LLC that's going to own the property in the state that the property is in. So for example, here I have put our one property that we own is in Florida. So we filed the LLC that the property is going to be purchased under in Florida. It was filed in Sunbiz in Florida with the name of the LLC. In that LLC, who is the managing member? Our holding company, not Bobby.